Boeing's troubled Starliner capsule that's docked at the International Space Station is now emitting strange noises from a speaker, leaving mission control puzzled.
Do it one more time and I'll scratch your head to see if you figure out what's going on. Here we go.
Experts are trying to work out what the pulsing noise is. Just over a week ago, NASA decided the capsule's faulty propulsion system made it too risky to bring the astronauts back to Earth.